Can you tell where I am? I'm here in this amazing calming center, feeling calm and centered. I'm here to share with you about what a calming center is, why a classroom might need one, and how you can create your own. A calming center is a safe, positive space for the students in your class to calm down and regroup before rejoining the rest of your class. A place where students can go when they feel that they need it. If they're feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, upset, or just need a few moments to themselves, this way students can learn to self-regulate their own emotions. A calming center is a great addition to your classroom because it provides a welcoming space inside your class. It allows your students to regroup and rejoin your class without missing valuable class time. It also helps you meet the emotional needs of all your students. It's easy to create a soothing space within your classroom. Let's talk tips and see the perfect Lakeshore products for setting up your own calming center. Before you start building your space, have a discussion with your students so they understand the purpose and how to use it. Be sure to incorporate some of their ideas so they have a sense of ownership. The first thing you want to do is provide a soft place to sit, like a big beanbag seat. It's important for students to feel comfortable to help them relax and calm down. This cozy corner canopy is super cute and helps define the space too. In a nearby basket, display some calming tools like the tilt and turn sensory windows. Children feel calm as they guide the balls around the window. Another great calming tool are the discovery tubes. With these, I would model flipping a tube, taking a deep breath, and turning it again. Interested in more sensory play tools? Well, here's some of my favorites. We've got the gel bead sensory shapes, totally fun to squish. We've got the swirling glitter sensory balls. And we've got the Lakeshore sensory ball set. You can even incorporate simple breathing techniques with any of these. I like to take some of the feelings and emotions cards from the social emotional photo library and display them on the wall nearby. This can help students identify how they're feeling in the moment. The amount of time spent in the calming center is important, so I would keep a giant sound timer here so students can monitor how long they stay. When you're ready to roll out the center with your class, share your expectations and discuss how to use the space. I like to bring up a volunteer to show how the calming center is used by following these simple steps. Quietly enter the calming center and sit down. Decide how you feel. Use the feelings cards to help you. Choose a way to calm down. Flip the timer over. Calm your brain and body. And when the sand stops falling through the timer, it's time to clean up and rejoin the class. Remember, you can always add in or swap out calming tools to keep your center fresh. There's so many great ideas you can find at Lakeshore. Be sure to like this video and post your comments, and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more.